Have you heard about beadable keychains? Watch this tutorial on how to create your own. Hello everyone, welcome to Scrapbooks and Memories. Today I am showing you how to put together beadable keychains. These are so fun. I got these from Beebeecraft, and this was the plain keychain set. Just a little box here with all the little pieces. Then I got some extra little silicone flowers. Thought they'd match really pretty with this teal color here. And then I'm using also some silicone beads and leaves from the bracelet kit that I last hauled. You'll see that video and all the links for these items in the description box below. So let's get started. So all I'm going to need extra is just a pair of pliers. These seem really sturdy, really nice and strong. That is a very thick jump ring. And these are like painted this really pretty teal color. And I haven't seen any chipping on them. And they work really nice. Nice little snap close there. So these are super, super simple. Just like the beadable pins. We're just going to unscrew just this bottom piece here. Just like so. Super fun. Set that aside. And we could pick out some beads to use. We have two different color greens for the leaves. We have orange, that orange, yellow, and blue we could use for the round. So we have some orange sunflowers here, and we can also pick from these colored ones. I'm going to start with just any color bead here. Let's see how many we can do. I might do a green also. I'm liking this really hot pink here, this really bright pink. And maybe we put the leaf. I'm thinking we put the leaf like this. Now it does cover right here. I wonder, since it's silicone, if I can screw this on and it'll kind of bunch them up real tight together. I'm just going to hold the top piece for that final little twist. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, let's put another one together. I think we'll do a couple bars before we put them on the jump rings. I like it with the 4. We also have yellow. I wonder what happens if we put a leaf at the top. Let's do a pretty blue. Ooh, look at this pretty teal blue. It's gonna match with that muted green. Oh, I'm liking that. And then what we do, maybe a bright yellow. I wonder what it looks like if we close it off. Oops. With just these 3. Let's try that. Or it does leave a little space up there if you don't mind that, and they will slide around. But I think that would bother me. So I'm going to stick on one more. What color? I wonder if it would fit another flower. What would that look like? Double flowers. And then a yellow. Would that fit? That's too much. Okay, so we'll do the yellow next to the blue. And then we'll just do a white. Kind of brighten it up. Now I'm going to push down so I can see my threads. Be careful not to cross thread it. Hold on to the top and twist to make it extra snug there. Next, let's pick up these and set that aside so there's no glare. I'm going to go ahead and grab, and what I like about these little pliers I have here, I got these from my husband, they have a little magnetic top. So I'm just going to go ahead and squeeze that. And I wish I had a second one, plier. I do somewhere. Can't find it. But just push that open. And we're just going to slip this jump ring right through that first jump ring we have open. And of course, this is the part that always gives me trouble because of my nails. Put all of this back on. Okay, slide it back on like so. Oh, and these jump rings are so thick. I'm gonna grab it. Pinch it closed. There we go. Just make sure it's nice on there, snug. Look how cute. Oh, that's so fun. So you can have your keys dangling off of this one, and then you have another little lobster, mini lobster claw right there. Let's go ahead and hook on like a little charm or another little dangle. And that did not take me long at all. These are so fun. Definitely, guys, if you're into making crafts with your kids, this would be super fun, easy for the kiddos to do with you. They're cute. Oop! There it went. Got it. They would be cute to do as gifts, especially since they come in a 10-pack. I think I might give, today is my daughter, well, I am recording this on her birthday. So I think I might give her one of these for her gift today, along with whatever I already gave her. Oh, come on. Oh, these suckers are so strong. I love it. Love it. They are definitely going to last. Look at that, how cute. So now you see the difference with the light green, different orientations, different colors. I think they came out super cute. You want to make these yourself, go ahead and check out the description box below. The link will take you right to the product. And be sure to use code MEMORIES10 when you check out to get 10% off your order. Thank you for joining me today.